This is 2018 question. Solve the by matrix reduction method they ask, but reduction method we don't have. So I am going to explain you matrix inverse method. Okay, that is cancelled. So we have this method. So we will do it. So writing the first, what you have to write here? Writing the given equations. Writing the given equation. Given equation in matrix form. Given equation in matrix form I will write. So matrix form, so what you do here, first of all, you write here coefficients 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Next 3 minus 1, 3. Next 5, 5 minus 4. Coefficients I wrote. Next variables x, y, z. Next equal to symbol and constant 6, 6, 3. So we have to write like this. Okay. After that we have to name this. So how to name here? Let A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 1, 3, 5, 5 minus 4. Okay, X is equal to X, Y, Z, and B is equal to 6, 6, 3. Like this we will give the name, right? Okay, after giving this name, what is this form you have? This is A and this is X and is equal to symbol and is equal B. So this is in the form of AX is equal to B, right? AX equal to B. Now X को इधर रखेंगे, A को उधर भेजेंगे. So whenever you keep X here, A and that side, A inverse you get. So X is equal to A inverse into B. आप ऐसा लिख सकते हो, नहीं तो steps लिखना है तो ऐसा लिख सकते हो डायरेक्ट. आप डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हो सर. You can write directly X is equal to A inverse B. But in boards if you want some steps, if you want, what you can do here, multiply A inverse on both sides. I'll write here. You can write this directly if you forget these steps, right? So what do you have? AX is equal to B, multiply A inverse on both sides. A into AX is equal to A inverse into B. A inverse into A is I into X is equal to A inverse B. I into X is X equal to A inverse B. You got it. Again simple फंडा है, A inverse into A always I होता है and I into any matrix खुद matrix आता है. So X is equal to A inverse B. So first we have to find A inverse. To find A inverse, first we have to find determinant of A. So let's find the determinant of A. Determinant of A will be what here? Determinant of A 1 into minus plus 4 minus 15. Okay. Minus 1 into minus 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 15 or plus 1 into, okay, 3 5s are 15 plus 5. So this is getting how much? Minus 11 minus, see minus 3 आएगा, minus 3 plus 3 and you get here plus 20. So here 23 minus 1 second, minus 1 into ना ये minus 12 minus 15, yes, minus 12 minus 15. So you get minus 27. Minus 27 into plus 27. Plus 27, right? So 47 minus 11, 47, 37, 36. So you are going to get 36. This is 36 is not a 0. So the A determinant you got 36. Now we will find the inverse of the matrix. How we will find cofactors like previous. Cofactor कैसे करते हैं? C11. So minus 1 power 1 plus 1 M11. So here minus 1 power 1 is 1. M11 means what? This one only na. 4 minus 15. ये ना 4 minus 15. How much it is? Minus 11. So minus 11. So C12, that is minus 1 power 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, M12. See, this one is this part only. This part only. So you get minus 1 into minus 12 minus 15. Minus 27, that is plus 27. C13 is the last one. So 15 plus 5, 20. So C11, C12, C13, no need to do steps. Already you have done here. That only you will get here. C11, C12, C13. Next what you have to write? C21. C21 means what? Minus 1 power 2 plus 1 M21. So ये इसका है ना ऑड नंबर है ना पावर, तो -1 आएगा. और M21 मीन्स इधर है M21, हाँ नहीं 21 इधर है, 21 इधर है ना, क्या बोलते हो? अरे यार 21 तो इधर है ना. इसका रो को क्लोज, इसका कॉलम को क्लोज. एक बार बोलता सुनो, M21 बोले तो ये है, इसका रो को क्लोज, इसका कॉलम को क्लोज, तो क्या बचा है? 1 1 5 -4. वही मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ सर. 1 1 1 1 5 -4. दैट इज ओनली वी आर डूइंग. -1 into -4 -5. That is I am going to get how much? -9 into 1 is +9. Like that. Like that all you will find. Find it. Inverse find means see here. C21 over. Tell me fatafat. Next one. C22 -9. Okay. C23 0. C31 4. C32 0. C33 -4. ओके आ रहा है आपको. चलो सर. हाँ, सो कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स विल राइट. कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गेट. कोफैक्टर ऑफ ए इज कोफैक्टर ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स ए इज इक्वल टू क्या आया सर? -11 27 20 okay 9 -9 0 4 0 4. Don't do any mistakes here. If you do mistakes, then your whole answer will go wrong. You will get less marks. क्या? -4. Okay. So here adjoint of A we will write as adjoint of A is equal to, we write as -11 27 20 9 -9 0 4 0 -4. We did transpose of that. Okay, we did the transpose of that. Adjoint A you got. Now we will find the inverse. Okay, we have to find the inverse. So what you do here, A inverse is equal to, we write as adjoint of A by determinant of A. That is A inverse is equal to adjoint of A. You got the matrix. 1 by determinant of A is how much? 36. 1 by 36 we will write. Adjoint of A is how much? -11 9 4 27 -9 0. ये क्या है? ये कितना है सर? 0 20 it is 20 sure. So 20 0 -4. You got the inverse. Now we will substitute in this formula. Okay, this is what we have to go and substitute here. So x is equal to, you will get A inverse 1 by 36. Don't multiply inside 36, it will make very problem. Don't multiply anytime. 27 -9 0 20 0 -4. Then into you write B matrix. What is the B matrix we had? 6 6 6 0. Sure? 3. Okay, now from this we will find x and y values. Right? So what I write here, x is equal to 1 by 36. Right, we multiply 11 into 66 minus 66. 9 6 are 54 plus 4 3s are 12. Right? Now 27 into 6. 27 into 6. बोलते नहीं सर. 42 12 162. 162 minus 54 plus 0. Next 26 are 6 to 0 120 plus 0 minus 12. So here sir, what you get here, x is equal to 1 by 36. You get here 54 plus 2, that is 68. 66, so 0. You got this is 0. And 162 minus 54, I am going to get how much? Carry 12, 12 minus 4, 8. Yes, 0, 108. 108. 108. And this is I am going to get 108 again. Right? 108, right? 108. Again 108. So the x value you get as 0 by 36, 108 by 36, 108 by 36. Okay, so x value you are going to get as, x is nothing but matrix x, y, z, and that is equal to you are getting 0. 108 by 36, how much? I think you did any mistake. C1, C2, these values, if you did mistake, whole answer will be wrong. I did not check it. 5 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 1s, 2 8s. Okay, 18 3s are right. 3 times cancel, na? 3 times cancel. Right. 36 into 3, 3 6 are 18. Yes. So 3 3, yes. So I got x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3, z is equal to 3. Right answer. आपको ये डाउट है करेक्ट है रॉन्ग है, समझो. आपको डाउट है ये करेक्ट है रॉन्ग है. आपका पहला इक्वेशन बोलो क्या है? व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन? x प्लस वाई प्लस z इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच? 6. ये सब्स्टिट्यूट करें तो वो सेटिस्फाई होना चाहिए. तीनों में सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 3 equations you substitute, you get this one means your answer is right, so you got 6 marks. Like that. After discussion of 18, 2017 these questions asked. 2017 only, previous we have discussed March, this is July. So July month questions, what are there? See here, July month questions, simple questions. Find the inverse of the matrix and solve this equation is said. So this is already we have done. Right? We have done now. Right? We completed this. Right? Now क्या करते हैं? ये भी आपने कर दिया. So what we will do now? We will do these 2 questions. नीचे का 3 करेंगे, 2. This is you can do homework. First 3 you can do homework. Last 2 I will explain. So let's see here. Now A is equal to the given. We have to prove this one. So first we go for the LHS. LHS में है ना, ये already you know. A into adjoint A. A already you know. What you don't know? Adjoint A. So first we will find adjoint A. To find adjoint A, you require cofactor matrix. So C11. C11 क्या होता है? minus 1 power 1 plus 1 M11. So you get as 1 into M11 means here closed. 0 into 3, 0 0 0. You get 0 answer. First one is 0. So C12. C12 is minus 1 power 1 plus 2 M12. So this is you get as minus 1 into M12. This one this cancel. 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11, so minus 11. 313, that is minus 1 power 1 plus 3, M13. So this is going to be at positive M13. Positive M13 means what? This is close, this is close. 3 into 0, 1 into 0, 0. Answer is 0. Is it clear? Right. Next, C21. C21 ये क्या होता है? नेगेटिव होता है. नेगेटिव M21. So negative 1 into M21. This is close, this is close. Minus 3 आ जाएगा. Minus 3 into plus 3 is minus into plus. So next C22. So ये plus M22 आएगा. M22 means the M22. This is close, this is close. 1 3 is a 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. right? C23 is negative M23. So what I get here, minus M23 means 23. This is close, 1 zeros are 0, minus 1 plus 1, you get plus 1. So plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now C31 will be what? Plus M31. Plus M31 means this is close, 2 you will get. Okay, next C32 is negative M32. So negative M32, here this close. So minus 2, minus 6, minus 8. Minus of minus 8, that is plus 8. Okay, C33, that is M33. This is I will get as M33. This is close, 0 plus 3. So 3 is the answer. So adjoint of A matrix will be cofactor matrix, right? Cofactor matrix is equal to cofactor of A is equal to, you will get as 0, minus 11, 0, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 8, 3. This is the cofactor matrix. So adjoint A we write, adjoint of A is equal to reciprocal of transpose of this, 0, minus 11, 0, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 8, 3. This is adjoint of A. Now what we have to do is adjoint of A into the matrix. Matrix A we have to do it. So we have to multiply both, then you will get the answer. That's it. वो डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ ए से ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो सेम आएगा. देखेंगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज व्हाट? A into adjoint of A we have to find. This is LHS. We are doing this one. A. We are taking A here. A is what? What is A here? 1, minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3. Right? Into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A क्या है? 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1, 3. Now I will explain how to multiply these two matrices. I'll explain how they will be multiplied. Now multiplication is important. So see this one, how to multiply. Okay, right. Now the multiplication is what we do here, row with column. So row with column is 1 into 0, 0, plus minus 1 into 3, minus 3, plus 2 into 2, sorry, I did wrong. Row by column, 1 into 0 is 0, plus minus 1 into minus 11 is plus 11. 1 11 is the 11. सुनो first. इसको समझो. Minus 1 into this. 2 into 0 will be 0. See here, row by column we multiply. ठीक है, सुनो first. Row by column we have done. Same way here, 3 into 0, 0, 0 into 11, 0, minus 2 into 0, 0. All you are getting 0. Soon first. Now here, 1 into 0, 0, 0 into minus 11, 0, 3 into 0, 0. So you got this is zeros. Now this part is over, hide this one. Now the same thing you do this one with this. Means 1 into 3, 3, plus minus 1 into plus 1, that is minus 1. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Now next down, 3 into 3, 9, 0 into 1, 0, minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2. 1 into 3, 3, 0 into 1, 0, 3 into minus 1, minus 3. Now next here, this one with this last one. 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 8, minus 8, 2 into 3, plus 6. Now here, 3 2s are 6, 0 into 8, 0, minus 2 into 3, minus 6, 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 8, 0, 3 into 3, 9. So what I am going to get here, this is I am getting is 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. So 11 take out common, 11 if I take out common, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So that is nothing but 11 into I got the answer. 11 into I LHS. Now we will do the RHS. Note down. RHS भी वही आएगा. RHS is determinant of A into I. Okay, first we will find determinant of A. RHS. RHS determinant of A you find out, you will get 11. Okay. Now determinant of A into I is the RHS. So therefore I can write as 11 into I, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So you got as determinant of A into I, right? Otherwise you can write here only determinant of A into I. 11 is this one, or you can write like this, and you can say from 1 and 2 both are equivalent. From 1 and 2 we proved. From 1 and 2, so we can write LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, hence verified. LHS equal to RHS, hence verified. So next question karte. This one, okay, we'll find this. So listen here, listen carefully, you see here. You have to see the first order of the matrix here. Okay, see here, first order of the matrix. What is order of this matrix? Order of this matrix क्या है? How many rows you have? 2 rows. Alright, this is row. How many columns you have? 3. So this is 2 by 3 matrix. How many rows you have? 3. How many columns you have? 2. तो ये ना कभी भी ये दोनों equal होना चाहिए. The number of columns of the second matrix is equal to the number of rows of the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of columns of the the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Then matrix multiplication exists and result कौन सा आएगा? ये last corner 2 by 2 matrix आएगा. Result will be 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, result will be what? 2 by 2 matrix. So let's find. Okay, what do you say? Let's find. Now AB is equal to what? A into B. A is what here? 1, 2, 3. 1 minus 2 minus 3, or B क्या है ये? 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 2. Let's multiply now. So AB is equal to what I am going to get here? 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into 1, 3. This is done. ये हो गया, तो नीचे वाला को करना है. 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. This is done. So इसका हो गया. अब इससे 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 2 into 2 4, 2 2s are 4. Next 3 2s are 6. आप सुनते नहीं सर, पहला सुनना है था, पहला सुनने तो आ जाएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? लास्ट इधर की लास्ट, चलो इधर देखो. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 plus minus 4 minus 6. So आया AB is equal to हमारा पास आया 3 plus 2 6 plus 1 7. ये आया 6 plus 4 9. 10 minus 1 9 ना, minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 and minus 4 minus 6 minus 11. So this is AB matrix. Now अभी फाइंड आउट करना है AB whole inverse. See, AB whole inverse, 2 methods you can do. One method is direct formula applying. Another is what? Doing cofactors. Tell me, you want to find cofactors or you want to find direct formula? Formula or cofactors? Tell me everyone. Formula. If it is formula, you should write the formula first. If A is equal to A, B, C, D, then A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A D minus B minus C A. This is the formula. You should write the formula, then you have to do it. Right. So if you are writing the formula here, AB whole inverse will be 1 by determinant. Determinant is, you have to find determinant first. So AB determinant, how much you will get here? AB determinant is 6 into, this is minus 66 plus 9 4s are 36. सही है ना? अरे प्लस 36 ना, AD minus BC, already minus into minus plus. So you are getting answer how much? 30 minus 30. So this is not equal to 0. So inverse exists. You should write non-singular matrix. Therefore AB whole inverse exists. Non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. AB is non-singular matrix. AB is non-singular matrix. AB inverse exist है, ये फार्मूला है. सो ये क्या होगा? 1 by minus 30. 1 by minus 30 D. D is what here? D is minus 11. B is here minus 9. C already minus 4. Minus 4 into minus plus 4. A is 6. So here you get, here this is the matrix. So AB whole inverse is nothing but, you can multiply inside. So I get as minus 11 by minus 30, minus 11 by minus 30, minus 9 by minus 30, minus 4 by 30 because you have minus here, and 6 by minus 30. So finally you minus things cancelled out. This minus, this minus, this minus, this minus. Oh yeah, any cancellation is there, you can cancel it. So AB whole inverse you are going to get finally, AB whole inverse is equal to, you are going to get 11 by 30, 9 by 30, 2 by 15 minus, and here 6 5 is 30 minus 1 by 5. So this is the final answer for AB whole inverse. Fine? Understood? What boys? Aditya Shinkate? Isn't here? You told wrong answer question. So ये question के लिए answer सही है. सुनो. This question, this answer is correct. But actually as per this 2008-16, the question is इधर -2 आना है. इधर -2 आया तो पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर चेंज होगा. तो सी यार, प्रीवियस मेथड इज अंडरस्टूड ना. सो -2 यू डू होमवर्क. अब -2 वाला ये आप होमवर्क कर लो, उधर -2 लिख के आप कर लो होमवर्क. सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड अगेन 2016 मार्च 2016 है. मार्च 2016 क्वेश्चन, ये टेक्स्ट बुक का क्वेश्चन है. 2.3 एक्सरसाइज. द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 dozen, राइट डाउन. द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 dozen pencils, द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 dozen pencils, okay, 3 dozen pens, 3 dozen pens and 2 dozen erasers is 60. And then he's saying that the cost of 2 dozen pencils, 4 dozen pens, 4 dozen pens, 6 dozen 2 dozen, इधर 2 दिखना था. Here will be 6 dozen erasers is 90 rupees. Okay, and 90, whereas the cost of 6 dozen pencils, 2 dozen, no, sorry, pencils, 2 dozen pens, 3 dozen erasers, 3 dozen erasers, cost is 70 each. Find the cost of the each item per the dozen by using the matrices. Find the cost of the each item per the using matrices. So cost of each dozen is asking. So to solve this one, we will write as let the cost of 1 dozen pencil is X, and the cost of 1 dozen pen is equal to Y, and the cost of 1 dozen erasers BZ. So let us, we are taking that ये है ऐसा. So can you listen once? चलो क्वेश्चन क्या है? द कॉस्ट ऑफ 4 dozen pencil, 3 dozen pens and 2 dozen erasers is 60 rupees, and the cost of 2 dozen pencil, 4 dozen pens, 6 dozen erasers 90 rupees. So they given, so the cost of 1 dozen pencil is X, 1 dozen pen is Y, 1 dozen eraser is Z. I am taking. So first equation we should write. Listen to me. The first equation, can you see here? 4 dozen pencil means 1 dozen is X. 4 dozen rupees will be 4X. So you will get here 4X. Okay. Plus 3 dozen pens. Pens 1 dozen is Y. 3 dozen means 3Y. Okay. Erasers. 1 dozen eraser is Z. Here 2 dozens. So 2 does. This is equal to, they given how much? 60 rupees. This is the equation number 1. Next one is 2x plus 4y plus 6z is equal to 90 rupees. This is equation number 2. And here 6x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 70. This is the third equation. So what you have to write as, write the given equations. Write the given equation in matrix form. Given equations in matrix form. We write matrix form here. So when you write in a matrix form, you will get as A is equal to you get 4 3 2. Here you will get as 2 4 6. Here you will get as 6 2 3. And next here X Y Z is equal to, constants are 60, 90, 70. As before we did, same method we have to use. Means you find the determinant of A and find C11, C12 like this. Find inverse of matrix and multiply with B matrix, you will get X, Y, Z values. Can you do it? Yes, do. You can do it. You do it this, you can do it. X is equal to, you will get 5, Y is equal to 8, Z is equal to 8. I explained many methods, so you can solve this. See here, listen to me. And this question, July 2016 question, find A inverse. This is the asked question, A inverse, already I explained. 4 dozen pencil question they asked. So these questions I explained in previous lecture. So I am not going to explain these 2 questions. Next year, this is 2015. 2015, this question they asked. See, it's a very simple question. This is called diagonal matrix. इसको बोलते हैं ना, diagonal matrix बोलते हैं. You know, and it's a easy one. JEE में पढ़ाया था मैंने. तो a इज इक्वल टू व्हाट यू हैव हियर 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 है ना। इसको ऐसा भी पूछ सकते सर, डायगोनल आप ऐसा भी पूछ सकते 2 2 2, ए मीनिंग सेम है, ठीक है। तो अब a पावर 6 करना है ना, a पावर 6 मीन्स फर्स्ट a स्क्वायर वी विल डू, a स्क्वायर मीन्स व्हाट हियर a इंटू a वी विल डू, a हियर 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2 इंटू 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2, just multiply a into a. Is a option see here, it's MCQ question na, one you get MCQ question, one is 4 marks question, 6 marks you will get. So a square will be getting as a square, so you just see here 2 2s are 4, see here 4 you will get, next year you get here also 4, see here 2 2s are 4, ये तो 0 हो जाएगा, चलो हो गया। ये इसमें भी 4 आ जाएगा, इधर 4 आएगा और इसमें इधर 4 आएगा, 0 0 0 0 0 0 आ जाएगा सर। सो ए स्क्वायर वैल्यू ऐसा आएगा। तो ए क्यूब कैसा आएगा, ए क्यूब में क्या होगा, ए क्यूब में ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए होगा, इट मीन्स ए स्क्वायर में क्या होगा 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 4 एंड इंटू व्हाट यू विल बी गेटिंग 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. If you multiply 4 2s are 8 I'll get. Means what you understood here, ये क्यूब हुआ तो ये इधर 2 क्यूब हो रहा है, 2 क्यूब 8 आ रहा है। पावर 4 हुआ तो 2 पावर 4 हो जाएगा, 2 पावर 4 हाउ मच 16। देखो ये आप इधर देखो 8 आएगा, 8 इंटू 2, आप ए क्यूब करे तो 8 आएगा, क्या आएगा सर 8 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 8। अब इसको फिर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 8 2 से कितना आएगा 16 आएगा। तो 2 पावर कितना आ रहा है 4, पावर 4 के लिए 2 पावर 4 आ रहा है, पावर 5 के लिए 2 पावर 5 आएगा, पावर 6 के लिए 2 पावर 6 आएगा। 2 पावर 6 इज हाउ मच 32 na, 32 right. So the answer is 32A, D is the right answer.